Hello friends, today we are going to learn some most important sentences in French language. Yes, we, no, nous, yes please, oui s'il vous plaît, no thank you, no merci, please, s'il vous plaît, thank you, merci, merci madame, merci monsieur, you're welcome, il n'a pas de quoi, here is, voici, here are, voici, there is, voila, there are, voila, hello, good morning, afternoon, bonjour, madame, bonjour, monsieur, hello, good evening, bonsoir, madame, bonsoir, monsieur, goodbye, au revoir, good night, bonne nuit, how are you, how are you feeling, comment allez-vous? Thank you for watching this video. I hope you fully understand this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. So